All right, going back. Hold it. Here, Luke. Cord like that. It everything is on your damn back there.
Come here. It's fine. Come here. Come here.
I actually traded this truck and this truck there for a motor and transmission and a few odd and end things I haven't got yet. This thing's a mess inside. Yeah, I ain't got very far to go. That's where it's going. Trying to get this area cleaned up down here anyways. Luke's got to go get some feed for him because he'll stand at that gate and try to get out. He won't go nowhere, but just so he's got to put some food over there. Well, we finally got the 81 Chevette pulled in here in the building. I'm getting ready to actually sit down with some paper. I'm actually got a little cold right now, so it sound a little funny. But I'm getting ready to sit down with the paper and start writing everything I need, ideas, because I got a bunch of ideas in my head that I've done forgot about, and I need to start writing them down. I'm just that kind of person. But we insulate this thing. I'll show, maybe I might show a before picture, but we put a drop ceiling in it and insulated it best we could. Actually, I got to get rid of a lot of this stuff. I just haven't got rid of it all, but this will get me started. I started insulating that side. I'm actually going to go all the way, every wall. I just ain't got to that. We got to fix some spots in the floor. Got to get this car cleaned out. That's the very first thing we got to do. Like I said, I bought this car like 10 years ago and I started on it and just didn't have the money and time, and I really still don't, but I'm just going to do little by little, me and my son, and just going to work on it together. Putting a small block 350 turbo, well, with a turbo, single turbo, blow through carburetor, possibly. Transmission, I was going to put a 350 turbo in it, but I actually decided to stick with a TH200, and I'm going to get it built. So I don't know how, they say they can put up with some power and once you build them, but if you don't build them, I mean, you can't make much over 300 horsepower, I think it is, something like that. Like, I don't know everything. This is going to be all a learning experience for me. I mean, I am a welder fabricator. I do that for a living, but I mean, I work on my own vehicles, always have. But there's a lot that I don't know. We're putting a S10 rear end in this thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut it down, tub it. I don't know yet. Like I said, I'm not a professional at this, but my coil springs, I was going to leave them stock, but I can't put a wide tire on if I do that. So I was going to go to a leaf spring and cut it down, but that's a decision for later. Up here's what we're worried about: transmission, what we got to move. I shouldn't have to move too much at TH200. That's actually coming in these, but I'm actually going to move that transmission back a little bit. And I have another Chevette that's already got one in. I looked at that, and I got to massage the tunnel a little bit back here and a little bit over there. It's not much. It's nothing like I would have to do with a turbo 350, but we're gonna, and it's just a small building. I'm actually gonna build something across, maybe to drop the motor in and out, because it's probably gonna be in and out 100 times. It's hard to tell. Or I'm just gonna roll the car forward. I have a tractor. I can just reach in here, lift the motor in and out. So, well, stay tuned. Well, we're changing the oil in the compressor. That compressor right there hasn't run in years. That oil was nasty. so we can run the plasma. We're actually going to take a compressor outside and I'm going to build a small roof over it and run the hose inside. We got to start plasmaing some of this stuff. I got to get some fire blanket lay under this floor. I don't know how I'm going to trust doing that too much in here yet.